In this video, I will guide you on how to wipe any Android phone to factory settings. To do that, you first of all want to launch open your settings, then scroll down and find the option of General Management, tap on that. Once you get here, find the option of Reset, select that. Now scroll down and here you will find the option of Factory Data Reset, tap on that option. Now you will see a list of what data will be erased from your phone if you do factory reset. Before doing this, you want to back up your data. Samsung devices often allow Samsung Cloud Backup with temporary unlimited storage for 30 days. Make sure that you back up all of your data before you do that. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the reset option. Then you want to confirm that you want to delete all data by entering your PIN. The phone will reboot and erase all apps, settings, and personal data. After it finishes, your phone will be restored to its original factory state. Once the reset is complete, you can log back in with your Google or Samsung account and restore your backed up data. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.